The land is my mother. Like a human mother, the land gives us protection, enjoyment, and provides our needs, economic, social, and religious. We have a human relationship with the land. This famous quote by Gianni Gondara is an excellent segue into the following minutes of this video, in which the significance of biocultural values will be explained, and how they relate to the Mars Creek region. Mars Creek drains from the suburb of Marsfield and flows for over a kilometre through Macquarie University and directly into the Lane Cove National Park. Biocultural values, which are both tangible and intangible, hold intrinsic meaning to the Indigenous people of Australia, and they preserve varying aspects of their heritage through both the physical properties of the land, like middens or rock engravings, and the cultural qualities embedded within the arts of the Indigenous Australians, such as stories and spirits. It is vital that we as students and modern-day Australians seek to employ sustainable practices in all aspects of environmental management, and to adapt to the forever changing conditions, both palpably and politically. By understanding the biocultural values of the Mars Creek area, we can delve deeper into appropriately and sophistically approaching the idyllic ways of respecting the importance of the original owners of the land we set foot on. To gain a better understanding of the Mars Creek region, the following maps have been created in order to showcase various features. The first map highlights the roads and tracks in regards to its surroundings. As you can see, the Lane Cove National Park is surrounded by highly populated streets, and the M2 motorway is in close vicinity. This displayed map gives us clear indication of the vegetation types in the area, which we can then observe the unequivocal dominance of dry sclerophyll forests, which is home to native Australian vegetation. As per the legend on the map, each of the listed vegetation has some biocultural importance to Indigenous Australians, especially the Watamargal clan of the Darug Nation, who are known to be living in this area. There is no doubt that there is a direct correlation between land use and the state of ecology in the area, and here, on the map presented, we can analyse how the land is being utilised in the Mars Creek vicinity. Both parkland and residential uses take up a bulk of the land, whilst transport and commercial uses are noticeably trifling. However, that does not mean that we should not account for it when assessing biocultural values in the region. This map shows the data collected by the Aboriginal Heritage Information Management System, and while they have done a fair bit of mapping of the region, this map that will follow shortly shows a more detailed data collection of the Mars Creek area. Via a GPS field data collection app known as CyberTracker, we utilised its abilities and began tracking the biocultural values in Mars Creek. CyberTracker allowed us to take photos, record notes, and GPS coordinates all in one smooth action, thanks to the thoughtful creation and installation of said app. As seen on this map, the data collected is noted by the points visible, with a total of 31 biocultural values. Firstly, we see here a blackbutt scar tree. The Indigenous people would have marked these trees with harsh scars as to inform them later that there is a fresh water source nearby. These trees aid as a very tangible biocultural value. In regards to native plants that hold biocultural values to Aboriginal Australians, the longleaf geebung is an excellent example. They used to eat the fruits of the plant as well as forge strong fishing wire by soaking it in a solution from the geebung plant. The beautiful wattle was used for food, medicine and technology, whilst the privet, acacia, Lomonadra longifolia and even the banksia that was also found on the track taken is a signifier for biocultural values. On the underside of some of the eucalypt trees laid an exciting discovery, a sugary deposit left from insects known as lerps. These lerps were consumed by Aboriginal people for energy or as a sweet snack. At one point of the trek, we stopped and looked over the valley from a vantage point that was close to large gum trees. There is no doubt that Aboriginal people would have used these trees as shade or rain protection, and also would have used the vantage point to call out across the valley and gain a view from higher up. As you should now be able to gather, the importance of identifying and maintaining the discussed biocultural values in the Mars Creek region is of the utmost importance, not just for the sake of Indigenous Australians and their relationship with the land, but for Australians as a whole and our own connection to those who were here before us.